Baba Ki Pathshala presents you with the short film Lifeless Flower. This is a short film about depression and peer pressure and how it affects young minds. This short film had been made by students from all over India. The students have managed their time and schedule and have made this happen. The dedication and hard work of the students are to be appreciated.
I can't tolerate this anymore. I can't bear it. I've failed. I've failed.
Okay guys, I am a bit bored now. Why can't we sing songs? Dev, why don't you start first?
Are you sure? Do you want me to sing now?
Hey, come on Dev, you can do it.
Alright then, I'll start singing. I'm getting too closer that I could just see. She's making me loser, to lose that she could be so free. She knows my love, yeah, although she wants his love.
Dev, there are people around you. They'll die.
This is a comedy song.
You are seriously going to make a fool of yourself.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it was better than our maths teacher's lecture.
Okay students, I got your exams results now. Guess who got the highest?
Yes, it's obviously me, ma'am.
Yes, it's you. Give a round of applause for Dev. He got the highest in all subjects. You're multi-talented, Dev. You're really good in studying as well as singing. Keep it up, dear.
Sure, ma'am. Thanks a lot for this appreciation.
As you all know, your final exams are coming in a few months. All the best to everyone. And Dev, don't divert yourself into singing. Concentrate on your studies.
Okay, ma'am. Now all time passes and it's just like holy God.
Dev, you should study. Eat these things immediately and focus on your studies.
Mom, I'll study later. Let me practice for my singing now.
Dev, not this time. We are done arguing with you again and again on the same topic. How many times should I tell you that singing is not a career? Why can't you get this single thing in your head?
Mom, how can you say that? There are many examples such as Arjit Singh. He opted singing as his career and now see his fan following.
Dev, he was lucky that he got his identity. But not everyone can be Arjit Singh, right? Your dad wanted to be a cricketer. He fought with his family. And then he persuaded his dream for cricket. But what happened? He failed. And now he is gradually persuading his dad's business.
Mom, see, Dad also got a chance to persuade his dream for being a cricketer. Then why don't I get a fair chance?
Dev, come here. What is all this? And why are you arguing with your mom? Again on the same topic?
Dad, you also persuaded a dream in cricket. Why can't I? Why don't you understand me?
Wait, don't compare that to this. You can learn singing as a hobby, but we want to let you choose a main career. It's not compulsory that you will have a full-time earning and it all support your family.
But why?
You know what your spoon fed. You don't know how much efforts it takes to earn each penny.
Hello uncle, I'm Dev's friend Priya. I want to say something if you don't mind.
Uncle, I am a famous Instagrammer and I wasn't born famous. I started with 0 likes and 0 followers, and now on my each video I have thousands of likes and thousands of followers. Uncle, do you think that I got all this just like that? No, I had done a lot of hardship to get this where I am today.
Okay, fine. I give time till your exams appear to prove me wrong. But you have to balance both your studies and singing. If you fail, then you have to do whatever I say.
Hey Mickey, you know what? My father gave me a chance to prove myself before my exams. Okay, fine. Like, I'm not understanding what do I do for my first move.
Why don't you make a YouTube channel and you can upload your singing videos there? That will help you so much.
Awesome! That's an amazing idea. I'll start it immediately.
Hey, Dave, what's wrong? Why are you looking so pale?
Nikki, you know it, right? My father has given me time to prove myself before my exams, but now...
What's wrong, Dave? Tell me, why are you crying?
I don't think I can be able to prove myself. I can't take it anymore. I'm completely broken.
Just tell me what's wrong.
Remember, you told me to create a YouTube channel, right? Yeah, I've created. I've just uploaded it. I've used my data and stuff. I struggled a lot, but then later I got very bad responses. I'm getting seriously so many dislikes. People are trolling me over and over. What do I do? Instead of my videos, my trolled videos are getting viral. Why is this happening to me?
तो चलिए दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको उस पोकेमॉन से मिलाता हूँ जो कौवा बिरयानी खा के फिर गाना गाता है। इसको कितनी बार बता दिया कि भाई पोकेबॉल में वापस जा, लेकिन नहीं, ये तो जब तक कान में से खून ना निकलवा दे तब तक गाना गाता है।
It's okay, don't get discouraged. This is too common. You will face many like this. Trollers have only this work to do.
No, I can't do anything now. My parents were correct. I should have listened to them. I'll remain like a joker itself now. I can't do anything. Like, leave me alone, please. I don't want to talk about anything anymore.
Okay, fine. Talk to you after you feel better.
Hello, am I speaking to Dev's mother?
Yes, may I know to whom I am talking with?
I'm Dev's class teacher, Miss Ritu. What happened? Dev didn't come to school today?
Sorry ma'am, actually Dev fell sick suddenly.
Oh, okay ma'am, no problem.
And ma'am, sorry for disturbing you, but how is Dev doing at school? Is he doing well in academics?
No ma'am, Dev is a brilliant student. He's very good in his studies. But I feel that sometimes he is diverting himself towards singing.
Yes ma'am, I have been always telling him the same thing. He wanted to select singing as his main career.
No ma'am, nothing to worry about. He is just a diversion. I'll speak to him. You don't take the tension.
Thank you ma'am, thanks for understanding and supporting my child.
Okay ma'am. Thank you. I'll take care. Bye.
Thank you so much ma'am. Bye ma'am.
You need to go, you gotta move.
Dave, what's wrong with you? Do you want us to live with embarrassment because of you?
What did I do this time now?
Just because of your singing, I had to hear that I'm a bad parent and didn't raise you up properly.
Wait, what? Don't tell me that you spoke to those gossip aunties next door again.
Mind your language, Dave. Learn something from Dheeraj. You guys study in the same class, live in the same colony, and still you can't learn something from him?
So what? I don't care about them. I'm happy with my singing and I'm gonna continue my career with it. I'm not doing any engineering, okay?
Just take his gadgets and mic away. He'll come back to the track.
No, please don't do that. I won't be able to survive without them, please.
At least you take your mask and come back by 9:30.
चेहरे से खुश लेकिन दुनिया से खफा है मुझे, खुल के था जीता आज जी रहा घुट घुट के, टूटा हुआ हूँ अंदर से जैसे टूटा कोई कांच, जीता हूँ जिंदगी बन के मैं सिर्फ जिंदा मुर्दे, पता था मुझको दुनिया है ये थोड़ी बदनाम, कला का कुछ नहीं या पैसों का ज्यादा है काम, माँ ने बताया था ये धरती कभी प्यारी सी थी, समझ नहीं आता बन कैसे गए यहाँ सब हैवान, चल रहा अकेले में इस सुनसान से रास्ते में, निराशा लेके लेके उदासी ये बस्ते में, कर रहा मैं मेहनत पर लोग मुझ पर हंसते हैं, कैसी ये दुनिया जहाँ कला बिकती सस्ते में, जीने की इच्छा न बची है अब कोई आस, मुश्किल है सबसे जाना जिंदगी जीने का राज, मांगता भगवान से हो जाए कुछ ऐसा ये काश, दुनिया को छोड़ दूं और रुक जाए मेरी ये सांस, 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 रुक जाए मेरी ये सांस।
Now Dev struggles a lot, but Nikita tries to console him by sharing her past experiences.
Many of them started messaging me in the inbox too. I got afraid. Then one boy took my full pic of top to bottom and edited half of the pic and told me that if you will do the same as I told you, then I will not edit your pic. And you had seen the demo, so don't dare to take it lightly.
What the hell, man? How can someone literally do like this? Why won't they even have respect on girls? I feel that seriously they won't be having any mother or sister. That's why they're doing like this.
Whatever. What we can do now? We can do nothing. So don't think so much. Let's continue. Then I got afraid. I was searching for support from anyone, but no one was there except one of the social friends. Then I told her what to do now. Then she said, just block him. He does have this much guts to do something like this. He is just using you, nothing else. But me, I was overthinking and got afraid of it, and even I didn't eat or slept at night. Then I asked him, what do you want me to do? Then that boy said that it's good that you come on the point direct. You have to do as I say. I said, okay, what should I do? He said, to be ready at 12 noon. I will let you know everything. Then I understood that his intention was to manipulate and take advantage of me. So this didn't go so far, but still it had the worst impact on my brain. I couldn't focus on my academies and my health was also deteriorated. Later my parents noticed this change in me and talked to me about it. After knowing about my situation, they hired a counselor and that helped me a lot. Hence I got cyberbullied first from the trollers who commented and laughed at me, then that boy.
You can't compare yourself with me, Nikki. Your life and my life are completely different.
David, it's not about the situation or circumstances. I know that we are different, but at the end it's all about how we tackle them.
What shall I do now?
You just can't end your life. Do you even know that what a beautiful gift our life is? And you are thinking of ending it.
You were in my place, you would have understand, Nikki. Like now, you seriously can't understand what I'm going through at all.
I don't understand what you are going through because I have gone through the same thing at some point in time in my life. So I can help you out with this.
Just don't want any help and I just don't want to live. Why don't you understand?
Being a close friend, I know what you need the most right now. All you need is some time alone. And please, for heaven's sake, don't do any nonsense.
Okay, for now, just leave. I'll talk to you later. I'm really very sorry for what happened yesterday, Nikita. I shouldn't have behaved with you like that. It's my mistake. Like, I seriously don't know through what problems and difficulties you're going through. I'm really sorry for that.
It's okay, Dave. I understand.
What's your solution? You had your parents' support. But what about me?
My close uncle is a senior counselor. He talks with me regularly. We can seek help from him. Don't worry.
Nikita calls her uncle and explains the entire situation, and in a few days, the counselor meets Dev.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Dev.
Yeah, sir, I have many problems, sir. No one are able to solve it. Everyone are like, I'm depressed because of everyone, sir. Seriously, no one are able to solve it. So I'm feeling that I can only get it solved by you, sir. I need an answer from you, sir.
तो मुझसे क्या आंसर चाहते हो?
Sir, like everyone are getting me depressed, sir. मुझे बहुत सारे goals है, sir. I have future goals. I have career goals. I have so many goals. I want to become a singer. I want to prove everyone who am I. I want to make my family proud about me. But no one are caring about, like, no one are caring about me. Seriously, no one. When I'm trying to sing a song, it is really very hard singing a song, sir. But people know, they'll start trolling, sir. I can't explain it. How they'll use all dirty words and all, and they'll start trolling us. How? And even at least if I would have my parents' support, I would be happy, sir. Even the parents in my house also are not at all even caring about my goals. They're telling only studies, studies, studies. Why do they think that only studies are life, sir?
आपकी फैमिली नहीं चाहती कि आप सिंगर बने?
No, sir. They're completely opposite to me.
क्यों? वो क्यों opposite है आपकी फैमिली? आपके सिंगर बनने से उनको क्या परेशानी है?
They want me to study, like पढ़ना चाहिए मैं.
तो आप क्या चाहते हैं? आप चाहते हैं कि आप पढ़ाई के साथ साथ सिंगिंग भी करें, या सिंगिंग आपका मेन पैशन हो, पढ़ाई आपका सेकेंडरी पैशन हो?
Yes, sir. Singing is my first passion. Studies is next. Like first I give preference to only singing.
Okay. आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि आपका जो स्टडी है वो सेकंड प्रेफरेंस है और सिंगिंग आपका पहला प्रेफरेंस है. तो आपके लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? आपकी फैमिली इम्पोर्टेंट है, या जो यूट्यूब के जो लोग हैं जो आपको ट्रोल कर रहे हैं, जो आपके फ्रेंड्स आपको ट्रोल कर रहे हैं? क्यों लगता है आपको कि ये सारे लोग किस बात के लिए आपको ट्रोल कर रहे हैं? आपको क्या लगता है आपके नजरिए से?
I don't know, sir. They'll be like my voice is so dirty. Besura se gaate ho. They'll be commenting all weird stuff on me, sir. But still, I know that I won't sing so bad. Even though they'll be commenting so bad words on me.
क्या वो सारे लोग आपको कमेंट कर रहे हैं? कोई आपको पॉजिटिव कमेंट नहीं कर रहा है, सारे लोग नेगेटिव कर रहे हैं? या कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो आपकी सिंगिंग को पसंद करते हैं?
I have a friend called Nikki, sir. She gave me the idea to become a YouTuber. So by that itself, I'm uploading my videos on YouTube.
Do you believe that you have a capability of becoming a singer?
हाँ सर, मुझे वो कॉन्फिडेंस और टैलेंट है सर, लेकिन वो लोग नहीं समझते हैं.
आप किस में बिलीव करते हैं? आप अपने टैलेंट में बिलीव करते हैं या लोगों के बातों में बिलीव करते हैं?
मैं अपने टैलेंट में ही बिलीव करता हूँ सर. I believe in my talent.
If you believe in your talent, why you are worried about other people? क्या जो लोग आपको ट्रोल कर रहे हैं वो क्या सिंगिंग के बहुत बड़े टीचर है या सिंगिंग के एक्सपर्ट लोग हैं?
नहीं सर.
वो तो सिंगिंग के एक्सपर्ट नहीं है ना देव. तो हाउ कैन दे कैन जज यू? उनके पास तो वो समझ ही नहीं है. और जिसके पास समझ नहीं है, अगर जो उनकी समझ को अपनी समझ बनाओगे तो डू यू रियली थिंक कि आप आगे बढ़ पाओगे?
नो सर.
अगर जो किसी एक इंसान को मान लो एक हॉल में 50 लोग बैठे हैं और एक पिक्चर दिखाई जाए सबको और कहा जाए कि इस पे स्टोरी लिखो, क्या सब लोग एक जैसी कहानी लिखेंगे देव?
नहीं सर. Everyone will be having different stories.
सबकी अपनी अपनी लाइकिंग है, सबकी अपनी थिंकिंग है, सबकी अपनी परसेप्शन है, सबका अपना एक लर्निंग क्राइटेरिया है. तो जब सबके थॉट अलग अलग है तो परसेप्शन भी अलग होंगे. तो आपको लगता है कि इतने सारे अलग परसेप्शन को आपको अपना आप बेहतर परफॉर्म करोगे जिंदगी में, और बेहतर करोगे तो आप फ्लरिश करोगे, आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ और ज्यादा इनहेंस कर जाएगी. क्यों नहीं?
Yes, sir.
लाइफ इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट, सो ब्यूटीफुल. तो हम ट्रोलर्स को क्यों देखें? हम उनको देखें जो मेरे सपोर्टर्स हैं. इफ वन पर्सन इज सपोर्टिंग यू, यू जस्ट डोंट प्रूव एनीवन एल्स, यू प्रूव योरसेल्फ. क्योंकि हम अपने आप को जितना इनहेंस करेंगे उतनी हम फ्लरिश करेंगे, उतनी खूबसूरती से मेरी जो क्वालिटी है वो और बेहतर और शाइन करेगी। और जब मैं शाइन करूंगा तो सबको रोशनी मिलेगी।
यस सर।
ये लाइफ आपकी है, तो आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि ट्रोलर्स के साथ जाना है कि सपोर्टर्स के साथ जाना है। लेकिन जो सबसे पहला सपोर्ट होगा वो मेरे लिए होगा, मतलब मैं खुद को सपोर्ट करूंगा।
मैं भी खुद को सपोर्ट
हमारे लाइफ का ही एग्जैक्टली हमारा लाइफ का पहला वसूल ये कि एडजस्ट इन ईच एंड एवरी कंडीशन। एंड एडजस्टमेंट के लिए सबसे अच्छी चीज ये है, इधर ब्रेन, माइंड, एंड यू हैव अ ग्रेट माइंड एंड ग्रेट ब्रेन। ये हमेशा इवोल्यूशन के काम आता है, डिस्ट्रक्शन के नहीं। तो तुम अपने आप को इवॉल्व करो, अपने आप को एक इवोल्यूशन में लगाओ। एक बेहतर सिंगर तुम हो, तुम्हें पता है, तुमने मुझे शुरू में ही कहा था कि आई थिंक आई एम अ ग्रेट सिंगर सर। ठीक है, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड ने तुम्हें सपोर्ट किया कि तुम यूट्यूबर बन जाओ, पर यूट्यूब पे जाते हो तो आपको लाखों करोड़ों लोग देखते हैं। जब लोग देखते हैं तो उसमें कुछ सपोर्ट करेंगे, कुछ हेट करेंगे, बट उस हेट और सपोर्ट के बीच में तुम खड़े रहोगे और तुम ये डिसाइड करोगे कि तुम्हें सपोर्ट की तरफ जाना है कि डिस्ट्रक्शन की तरफ जाना है। सपने देखना अच्छी बात है, मैं चाहता हूँ जो पेरेंट्स देखते हैं सपना वो भी अच्छी बात है, और जो बच्चे सपने देख रहे हैं वो भी अच्छी बात है। लेकिन ये तो दोनों का अपना पर्सनल हो गया, राइट, कि बच्चा क्या चाहता है और पेरेंट्स क्या चाहते हैं। मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ हर पेरेंट्स को कि सिचुएशन क्या कहता है। हम एक्चुअली जब पर्सनल ओरिएंटेड हो जाते हैं तो हम सब अच्छे बुरा भूल जाते हैं और हम वही चाहते हैं जो हम चाहते हैं। लेकिन जो हम चाहते हैं वो हमेशा करेक्ट नहीं होता है, और 99% चीजें हमारी जैसा हम सोचते हैं वैसा नहीं होती। क्योंकि अगर जो मैं जैसा सोचता हूँ वैसा होने लगे तो फिर तो हर कोई ऐसा सोचेगा और सब वैसे ही होने लगेगा। फिर ये पूरी दुनिया का इक्विलिब्रियम बदल जाएगा, बिगड़ जाएगा। पहली बात। दूसरी बात, आपका बच्चा है, इतना छोटा सा था जब वो बिल्कुल नंगा पैदा हुआ, आपने उसको गोद में लिया, खिलाया, उसके साथ इतना प्यार है। आप उसकी एक छोटा सा आंसू निकलता था, आप दौड़ पड़ते थे, क्या हो गया मेरे बेटे को। लेकिन धीरे धीरे जब आप एक अंधा दौड़, जो एक कंपटीशन का अंधा दौड़ मैं कहता हूँ, तो कंपटीशन क्या ही कहना उस बारे में। जब आप बच्चा बड़ा होता है तो धीरे धीरे आपकी जो इच्छाएं हैं उसके अंदर पनपने लगती। आप ही का बच्चा जिसको आप गोद में लेकर के कितनी रातें आप जागे, माँ ने अपना दूध पिलाया, पिता ने अपने कितने काम को सेक्रीफाइस करके, कितनी रातों की नींद सेक्रीफाइस करके उसको बड़ा किया। जब वो बड़ा किया और उसको जब नेचुरल पलना था तब आप उसको अननेचुरल बनाते गए कि आप चाहते थे कि वो डॉक्टर बने, आप चाहते थे वो इंजीनियर बने, आप चाहते थे कि वो प्लेयर बने, इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर बने, वो बहुत अच्छा सिंगर बने। आप बहुत कुछ चाहते हैं, बट कभी ये चाहते हैं कि आपका बच्चा क्या चाहता है, उसमें कौन से एप्टीट्यूड है। आप उसको चलता फिरता एक रोबोट बना देते। क्यों? क्योंकि आप चाहते हैं ऐसा, आपकी नाम ऊंची रहे समाज में, लोग बाग में, आप गर्व से कह सके। लेकिन क्या उसको भी गर्व से कहने का अधिकार नहीं है कि मेरे मम्मी और मेरे पापा ने मेरी सुनी? आप उसको गाइड करिए। आप जब गाइड करके उसको मिसगाइड कर देते हैं ये बोल करके कि तुमको ये नहीं, तुम्हें ये ठीक रहेगा तुम्हारे लिए, तब वहां पे एक रिदम टूट जाता है, एक वार्मथ टूट जाता है, कनेक्शन टूट जाता है। और जब वो कनेक्शन टूटता है तो बच्चा अपने आप में टूट जाता है। वो आप ही का बच्चा है, आप ही का दिल का टुकड़ा है। आप उसको नहीं समझेंगे, नहीं सुनेंगे और आप अपनी मनवाएंगे तो फिर तो वही हो गया। या आप सर्दियों के मौसम में आम चाहते हैं और उसके लिए आप 10-15 इंजेक्शन लगवा रहे हो आम के पेड़ में ताकि उसमें आम निकल आए, और फिर मीठा करने के लिए और 4 इंजेक्शन डलवा, तो उसकी तो नेचुरलिटी खत्म हो जाएगी उस मैंगो। आम हमेशा से गर्मियों में ही मिला करता है और सिर्फ सर्दियों में। आप बेमौसम कोई चीज करेंगे तो उसका पल बिल्कुल उल्टा आएगा। वैसे ही अगर जो आपका बच्चा में अलग एप्टीट्यूड है और उसमें अपनी चीजें थोपेंगे जमाने को देख करके, फिर तो बहुत दूर चले जाएंगे।
Thanks a lot to each and every person over here. I'm feeling very proud and very happy because of you people. Without you people, I wouldn't have achieved this success at all. I was depressed a lot. I harmed myself. So many stuff that literally took place. But now I'm not at all doing that. Make your own way and take your family and your loved ones with that particular way. Okay, got it? That's the main reason how I have achieved my success. So there are supporters who support you and listen to their words also. Yeah, and that's how I became successful in my life. That's how you should also try your best in your life. Your goal and my goal are completely different, but still we can go in the same way. Thank you.